How can I keep my Iman high? 1. Keep yourself busy in the remembrance of Allah. Say morning and evening adhkar. They are a protection, a shield against shaitan. 2. Surround yourself with those who remind you of Allah. They are your friends and allies in this life and hereafter. 3. Listen to Quran and Islamic lectures. They remind you of your purpose in this world and of hereafter. 4. Remember death. Indeed, death reminds us that this dunya is nothing but illusion. 5. Avoid anything that lower your iman, like places of fitna, temptations, and haram. 6. Read Quran daily, at least 1 or 2 pages, and let Allah talk to you. Let the words of Allah touch your heart. May Allah increase our iman and keep us steadfast on deen. Ameen.